A different storm is wreaking havoc in Japan. Korea's closest neighbor is feeling the brunt of Cimaron, which is battering the western parts of the country. Aram has the details.
Typhoon Cimaron made landfall in eastern Shikoku on Thursday evening, local time, packing winds of up to 175 kilometers per hour and pounding the area with heavy rain. Its strength was equal to a Category 2 hurricane in the Atlantic, but has now been downgraded to a severe tropical storm. Weather authorities say up to 800 millimeters of precipitation could fall until noon on Friday. There have been reports of some power outages, and there is also the risk of flooding and mudslides. There have also been reports of a few people being injured by the strong winds. Meanwhile, transport services have been disrupted. Bullet train services between Shin-Osaka and Hiroshima stations were suspended on Thursday evening. More than 300 flights have also been cancelled, and airlines have announced additional flight cancellations for Friday. Typhoon Cimaron is expected to reach northern Japan by the weekend, and more than 100,000 people along the storm's path have been ordered to evacuate. Aram, Arirang News.